So this is a rooftop turf job we did. The guys did this on their own while I was taking care of another project. It is in Brooklyn. They had to get the material to the job site because it wasn't delivered there. We had to get our trucks and materials in an area where there was zero parking. Finagle with getting the stuff up to a roof through some elevators and hallways, but we had to cut all the material down on the ground in the street, which of course the guys didn't capture any video of, but I'll beat them with wet noodles for that. But they got it up and they got this job done. So that is what it looks like to have rooftop turf in Brooklyn. Guys did a great job. They didn't like the idea of having to do the videos. I was off doing a project in New Jersey, so they were off doing it themselves. So thanks for watching.